Hello, Kos Albanidis here, and I'm about to show you one more amazing AI tool. Okay, let's go on. How about creating AI coloring pages from any picture? I'm gonna show you what this uh, great web app, ColoringBook, can do for you. Okay, first of all, you can find any kind of coloring pages for free, and you can download them here. And you can see there is a very big variety where you can get any picture that you want. Okay, you can just download it for your kid and let it start coloring. But how about if I told you that you could create your own coloring page, just adding your cat's, uh, photo or your kid's photo, and just having this result. Okay, you can try it for free straight to using my link in the description, and I'm gonna show you right away how I can add my own photo and make it a coloring photo. I'm gonna move to the dashboard and I'm gonna upload a family photo. Okay, let's find one. I think I got one here. I'm gonna just drag and drop it here. Okay, I'm gonna have to upload it. Okay, so I upload one photo here. I can preserve the faces, better for photos with faces, so I can keep the faces. I can remove the background if I want. Okay, this is a premium feature to upscale to better for low resolution blurry image. You can just make it much better. Okay, and I'm gonna generate now, and boom! You see, I got a great image here that I can use to to color. It's great for if you have kids and you want to play with them and you want to have fun with your own photos. This tool is amazing. You see, in seconds you just get your image that was the original image, and I got my coloring page. Try this amazing tool. You can just click in the link in my description and find out more. Thank you very much for watching this video and have fun. Or maybe just a moment, I got something else to show you. There is even the option to create your own image from scratch. Okay, you can just write anything. You say, I want a Spider-Man on the top of a skyscraper, and you're gonna just get a great image for your kids to color. And one last thing is the online coloring, where you can pick up any of those images and you can work on them on the computer, and you can just color anything you want. Okay, you see, you have the brush and you can color over here. It's interesting. It's really something that you're gonna love, you and your kids, and it's really relaxing. Have fun and enjoy coloring. If you enjoy this video, click like, and why not subscribe to my channel for more hidden gems. Okay, have a great day. Have a wish you the best, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.